Fast forward to Christine's senior year of college when she started telling me about this guy named Matt. She would text him all the time during chapter especially and tell me what's going on. Matt was always there for her, but he was always just a friend. It took a lot of back and forth for them to finally figure it out. And I'll admit, I was a bit aggressive the first FaceTime I had with Matt on the beach because I was a little annoyed at how the back and forth was going. I was like, are we sure? Are we sure, guys? I soon learned that Matt is one of the nicest people I've ever met, and I can't imagine anyone not liking him. Matt, we love you, and we are so grateful you are the one for Christine.
And if true love and the unselfish spirit of perfect sacrifice guide your every action, you can expect the greatest measure of earthly happiness that may be allotted to mankind in this vale of tears, while the rest is in the hands of God. Nor will God be wanting to your needs. He will pledge you the lifelong support of His grace in the Holy Sacrament, which you are going now to receive.
All right, Matt, your turn.
Oh my gosh. You said it wasn't gonna be movie.
I didn't say that.
Look at it.
I know.
Look at the boat.
I know. I know.
I got it.
Look at my ring.
Look at that ring.
All right. You're good.
My makeup's smearing.
I, Matthew Douglas, take you, Christine Marie, for my lawful wife.
I, Christine Marie, take you, Matthew Douglas, for my lawful husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health.
Until death do us part. Take and wear this ring as a sign of our marriage vows.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Raise your wands and blow good wishes for the new Mr. and Mrs.
I finished writing my speech today, but then I subsequently lost that phone while we were taking pictures for this event. So I'm not sure why exactly Matt named me his best man. The conclusion that I've come to is it's because I've known these two from the start of the relationship, and I could tell immediately it wasn't a normal relationship. Felt different immediately.
Our journey began through our sorority big sister system. Christine found out first that she was matched to be my big sister, but I wasn't allowed to know for about a week. That first week turned into 3 because there was a 100-year flood in Colombia. During that time, Christine decided to trick me into thinking she was someone else. She did such a good convincing job that I ended up crying to my roommates because she was the only person I liked in my sorority. Of course it all worked out, and looking back now, it's hilarious to think low-key she bullied me into being my friend.
will say a quick thank you to every single person in this room because you don't understand how much you mean to both Christine and I for being here and showing your appreciation throughout various points of our lives, family, friends.
Christine and Matt, you two are an incredible team and your love is inevitable. I'm so grateful to have both of you in my life and I can't wait to see what the future holds for both of you.
That you two have changed each other into the best possible versions of yourselves, and I'm super thrilled about it because we used to bicker all the time and it's so much less now. So I'm legitimately forever in your debt. If you ever need anything, do not hesitate to call me. To Matt and Christine,
please raise your glass as we celebrate the love, happiness, and lifelong journey of Christine and Matt.
may the road be long and lead to love and adventure, man.
Cheers, everybody.